Going to see how to install Python on Windows 11. So first you have to search Python in Google. You will see python.org. Click on this URL. Go to download sections. You can see Windows over here. Scroll down, you will see the stable version, the latest release version. So I am installing the latest version over here. Click on this. And if you come down, you will have this Windows installation 64-bit. Click on this. Now open that folder. Now you can see install now option over here. So check this box. Use admin privileges when installing Python. Add path over here. Both these options should be checked. Then click on install now. The installation has been started over here. You can see the setup was successfully installed. Close this. So to check whether we have successfully installed Python, go on search, type cmd over here, open the command prompt over here and type python -version. You can see over here the Python version is successfully installed. If you want, you can go over here start menu and type Python. You can see over here the Python editor over here. Lit is the by default Python editor installed over here. You can click over here. You can open that. So you can run your Python scripts or some from here. Just I am doing print command from Python. So I will print over here hi. Okay, it is printing over here. So that means Python has been successfully installed and Python compiler is also working fine. So that's that's all. We have successfully installed the Python on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching for